In the hustle and bustle of city life, a young man named Arlo felt a longing for escape. Overwhelmed by his daily routine, he stumbled upon a glowing online review of a hidden gem, Echo Falls. Intrigued by tales of its enchanting beauty and rich culture, he decided it was time to break free. With a backpack filled with essentials and a heart full of hope, he embarked on a journey to the remote village, dreaming of tranquility and adventure. Upon arrival, Arlo was welcomed by Mira, the village's friendly guide. With a warm smile and a spirit keen to share, she embodied the essence of Echo Falls. As they walked through the verdant landscape, she spoke of the village's commitment to preserving nature and honoring ancient legends. The air was imbued with the scent of pine and blooming wildflowers, while the melodious sound of cascading waterfalls seemed to beckon him into the heart of this serene enclave. As days passed, Arlo immersed himself in village life, marveling at its stunning vistas. Lush forests framed the village, and mist-kissed mountains stood like guardians. The villagers, with their welcoming demeanor, invited him to join in their daily rhythms, sharing stories and laughter. It was amid this peaceful existence that Arlo encountered Grandma Tala, a wise elder with twinkling eyes. She regaled him with the legend of the whispering trees, ancient sentinels said to possess the ability to impart wisdom to those who would listen intently. Arlo felt an irresistible urge to seek out these mystical trees, eager to uncover the secrets they held. Mira agreed to accompany him, leading the way into the sprawling forest. Together, they traversed winding trails, splashed through lively streams, and climbed steep hills, where the sun broke through the canopy in radiant beams. Along the journey, Mira shared invaluable survival skills, encouraging Arlo to embrace nature's gifts. The bond between them deepened with each step, an exchange of knowledge blossoming into friendship. Finally reaching the whispering trees, Arlo paused to absorb the extraordinary atmosphere. As he sat amidst their towering presence, he embraced the stillness, allowing thoughts of his hectic city life to fade away. The silence spoke volumes, prompting deep reflection and stirring a newfound serenity within him. As his adventure concluded, Arlo thanked Mira and Grandma Tala for their wisdom and hospitality. He left Echo Falls with promises to return and a vow to carry the tranquil spirit of the village into his everyday life, forever cherishing the echoes of peace encountered beneath the whispering branches.